gather around the fire, for I have a tale to tell. A story as old as time that has traveled across the lands like the very specters contained within. This is the story of the Wild Hunt. If you find yourself in the dark of a clear night, and all the forest goes silent, you best get low to the ground, for the ghostly horses may very well be traveling right above you. These spectral riders are led by the god Odin and his host of giants, Valkyries, fallen heroes, wolves, ravens, and even other gods of the north that ride out of Asgard in times of change. For thousands of generations, people like you have heard and told stories of these riders in the night. Oftentimes, if you see the Wild Hunt, it means war is on the horizon, or a great disaster is about to occur in the very place you live. However, the great Odin is known to take out his host during the holy tides as well. During Yule, it is said he takes out his band of riders to supply the feast for the halls of Asgard, and that we should take this as a sign to be thankful for the very food within our own halls. The path the hunt takes has been set in stone longer than the very foundations of our own great cities. So be cautious not to build a home in the path of the great host, for it'll be torn down by the stampede of spectral riders should they come your way. If you find yourself in the dark of a clear night, you should carry two things with you at all times. Should you come across a man in a wide-brimmed hat, have a piece of metal to offer at his feet, for you are standing before the great war god Odin. And if you are unlucky enough to encounter one of his wolves, bring a piece of bread with you at all times so that you may throw it and run. The Wild Hunt is not out to get you, but the Wild Hunt will not stop in its path if you should stand in their way. You around this fire, I hope you heed my words well, and remember that the ways of old are not as far away as you may think. That what separates you from the dark of a winter night is nothing more than a few inches of wood and steel. Stay close to your family and honor the night, and be glad whenever you're able to escape the Wild Hunt.